Hi everyone, my name is Christian David A. Castro and I'm currently working as a sales distributor in an agriculture company. But today, I'm excited to share why I'm applying for a teaching position and how my journey has brought me here. To be honest, I never imagined myself becoming a teacher at first. My turning point came during my work in agri-sales. I often visited farmers, explained products, and trained them on how to use fertilizer and seeds effectively. Isang araw, ah, merong lumapit sa akin na farmers, may edad na, and she told me to explain things so clearly, it's easy to learn from you. That moment really touched me, and I realized that I enjoy most about my job wasn't just selling, it's about teaching, helping people understand something new, and seeing the results of that knowledge. That's when I started to think maybe education is where I truly belong. Of course, my journey po hasn't been smooth sa lahat ng oras. One real challenge I faced was communication. When I first started in sales, I used to talk too fast and focus too much on a product instead of listening. Some clients didn't trust me right away and I lost few deals then. Sobrang hirap but it taught me patience and empathy. I learned na ang totoong communication means understanding first the people before you try to teach or convince them. That lesson has shaped the way I connect with others. And I believe a, a skill that's very important for teachers too. Sa mga susunod na taon po, I see this teaching job as a great opportunity to grow both personally and professionally. Personally, I want to continue developing my communication and leadership skills. Professionally po, I want to learn new teaching method, inspire young people, and maybe one day become a mentor who helps others na madiscover ang kanilang potential just like I discover mine. Thank you.